Hello guys, welcome back to Fresher V. So in today's video, we are going to talk about a latest off-campus placement opportunity from Cognizant. So in this video, we are going to discuss about all the things before applying for this opportunity. So we are going to discuss about all the things such as the job designation they are hiring for and the job location and what is the CTC, what are the job description, what are the skills they are expecting from the candidates, so and how one can actually apply for this opportunity. So we are going to discuss about all these things in a detailed manner. So I request you all to not skip the video in between and watch the video till the end so that you can get a complete idea over this opportunity and you won't make any kind of mistake while actually filling the registration form. So stay tuned. And for all those who are new to Fresher V, so let me tell you about the channel. So in Fresher V, I upload all the videos regarding latest off-campus placement opportunities from various MNCs and all the videos regarding the recruitment process for all these companies. So if you are new and you haven't yet subscribed to Fresher V, then I request you all to subscribe so that you can get all the latest updates regarding such various opportunities on a regular basis. So without making any further delay, let's move forward with the today's video, which is about Cognizant. So Cognizant is hiring for the designation of a programmer analyst, and the location they are hiring for is of Hyderabad, and here they have mentioned the job ID also. So this is the official careers page of Cognizant. So I will also provide the direct link to this page in the description box of the video, so you can simply go there and check out this link. So let's talk about the further information they have mentioned here about this particular role. So as you can see in qualification, they have mentioned here graduate slash engineering graduate. So graduate, in case like any graduate is eligible for this opportunity, like it is not mandatory that the candidate should be only from engineering streams. So that is not mandatory, any graduate is eligible for this opportunity. Talking about the responsibilities, the very first thing here they have mentioned here is requirement gathering, that is understand, interpret and clarify functional requirements as well as technical requirements and requirement standards for the project. And in project estimation they have mentioned able to provide effort and timeline for the task assigned. Capability development, in case like improve core skills to move up the learning curve in the identified area of expertise. And next they have mentioned here about design and analysis. Very first point here is study, assign functional specifications, analyze and identify impact of specifications, raise queries and seek resolution from different stakeholders, provide required support to develop the proof of concept. So these are the things they have mentioned here in design and analysis. Next they have mentioned here coding. So they have given a lot of points here in this particular point, like develop coding as required in the project, raise clarification issues, seek review from peer senior developer periodically, and participate in the code peer review as required, and provide support on process audit activity. So I have already mentioned the direct link for this page in the description box of the video. So if you're willing to read all this information in more detailed manner, so you can simply go there and visit this page and read all this information. And in testing they have mentioned like write unit test cases for specific units, seek review from peer senior developer, execute the test cases, review work to ensure to SCM policies set for the project, understand and execute automation tools for testing. And so they have further mentioned information about, so in must-have skills they have mentioned here IoT Edge with Java. So they are expecting from their candidates that they should know Java, and employee status, like this is a full-time employee job and shift is of a day job, and there isn't any required of travel. And they have posted this job on this official careers page of Cognizant on July 6th. And next they have mentioned here about the company information. So if you are willing to read all these things, you can simply go and check out the link I have already mentioned in the description box. And if you are a fit for this opportunity and you are willing to apply, you can simply click here on the apply now button. You can see here on this page. So after clicking on apply now, you will be redirected to the next page. like this candidate privacy notice. So here you can click and read all the privacy things they have mentioned here. And next you can see this is the official registration page. So here you have to very firstly upload your CV, and then you have to mention all the things about your personal information like your first name, last name, your email ID, your primary contact number, previously employed by Cognizant, yes or no, and your total experience, and you have to mention your skills. So after filling all this information, simply click here on the next. So in next you have to just simply review all the things you have filled here, and after filling all this information and reviewing the details, you can simply click on the submit button you will see in the next page. So in this way you can apply for this opportunity from Cognizant. So this is a very good opportunity for all the freshers and even 1 or 2 years of experience people. So just go for it and apply for this opportunity. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like the video and share this video with your fellow friends who are looking for such opportunities. And if you came across any type of queries, then please mention all the queries in the comment section below. I will reply to all the queries ASAP. And if you are new, then please I request you all to subscribe to Fresh Hobby, and we'll meet in the next video with one more such opportunity. Thank you.